Greetings, moneymakers and future millionaires. Welcome to Investor Web, your reliable source for investment strategies and financial planning. We're here to guide you through the labyrinth of wealth creation, to help you navigate the twists and turns of financial markets, and to provide you with the tools you need to build a prosperous future. Today, we're venturing into a thrilling journey towards financial independence. We'll be exploring 10 easy strategies that can potentially turn you into a millionaire by the year 2024. We'll delve into the world of stocks, real estate, business ventures, and many more exciting opportunities. Our aim is to provide you with a diverse array of options that cater to different risk appetites and investment horizons. So, whether you're an experienced investor or just starting your financial journey, there's something here that can pique your interest and potentially pad your wallet. So without further ado, let's dive into our first strategy. Strategy number 1, investing in the stock market. This method has long been a favorite for those looking to grow their wealth. The stock market, while it may seem intimidating at first, can offer significant returns over time. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and as the company grows, so does your investment. Of course, the stock market is not without its risks. Prices can fluctuate, sometimes drastically, but it's important to remember that investing in the stock market is a long-term game. It's not about quick wins, but steady growth over time. Thorough research is key. Understanding the companies you're investing in, their performance, and their potential for growth can help mitigate risks. The stock market isn't a gamble, it's an investment in a company's future. With the right strategy, the stock market can be your ladder to financial success. A well-curated portfolio can set you on the path to that coveted $1 million mark in 2024. Our second strategy is real estate investment. A tangible asset, real estate offers a sense of stability that few other investments can. It's a dual benefit strategy where you can earn from both rental income and property appreciation. Imagine having a property in a prime location, rented out to reliable tenants. The monthly rental income provides a steady cash flow, a safety net that can weather fluctuations in other investment sectors. Now let's talk about property appreciation. Over time, well-chosen properties generally increase in value, sometimes significantly. This is where the importance of location and market timing comes into play. A property in a rapidly developing area purchased at the right time can be a goldmine, but remember, every investment comes with its own set of risks. The key to success in real estate is research, patience, and a keen eye for potential. Real estate, when done right, can be a solid brick in your $1 million wall. Strategy number 3, starting a successful business. The allure of entrepreneurship is strong, and for good reason. It's a path that, if navigated wisely, can lead straight to the Millionaires Club. The heart of a successful business is a unique idea. It's about offering something different, something better, something that fills a gap in the market. But a unique idea isn't enough on its own. You need to pair it with comprehensive market research. Understand your audience, your competition, and the trends shaping your industry. This knowledge will help you carve out a niche and position your business for success. And then there is perseverance. Starting a business is a journey filled with ups and downs. It requires grit, determination, and a willingness to adapt and learn. So stand strong, keep learning and evolving, because with the right idea, thorough research, and unwavering perseverance, a successful business might be your ticket to the Millionaires Club. Strategy number 4, franchise ownership. Imagine the thrill of owning a business, but with a safety net. That's the allure of franchising. When you buy a franchise, you're buying into a proven business model. You'll get the benefit of a recognized brand, which can save you significant time and money that would otherwise go into building a brand from scratch. Moreover, franchisors provide a wealth of support, from training programs to marketing strategies. Now, potential returns from owning a franchise can be substantial, but it's not without its risks. It requires a considerable upfront investment, and your success is tied to the franchisor's success. However, with careful research and selection, owning a franchise can be a profitable venture. The key is to choose a franchise with a robust system, a strong brand, and a product or service with staying power. A well-chosen franchise can fast-track your journey to $1 million. Strategy number 5, peer-to-peer lending. Diving into the world of peer-to-peer lending can open up a world of high returns. This innovative financial platform allows individuals to lend and borrow money directly from each other. Bypassing traditional banking systems, it's like being your own bank, with the potential to earn significant returns on your investment. However, as with any investment, there are risks. That's why it's crucial to diversify your lending portfolio. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, don't invest all your money in one borrower. Spread your investment across multiple loans to mitigate risk. And remember, due diligence is key. Before you lend, research the borrower's creditworthiness, their reason for borrowing, and the interest rate. A well-researched, diversified peer-to-peer lending portfolio can yield handsome returns. Peer-to-peer lending can be a lucrative path if navigated wisely. Strategy number 6, cryptocurrency investment. In the recent years, we've seen a meteoric rise in the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, just to name a few, have all experienced explosive growth. This digital currency, backed by blockchain technology, holds a potential for sky-high returns. It's like a gold rush of the 21st century, and everyone's trying to stake their claim. Now, hold on a second. Before you dive headfirst into the crypto pool, it's crucial to understand that with great potential comes great risk. Cryptocurrency is notorious for its volatility. Prices can skyrocket one moment and plunge the next. But that's where the thrill lies, right? It's a high-stakes game, and for those who play it right, the rewards can be immense. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. Cryptocurrency, a high-risk, high-reward strategy, could catapult you into millionaire status. Strategy number 7, high-yield savings account. Now, this strategy is less about rapid growth and more about slow, consistent accumulation. A high-yield savings account is a low-risk strategy that can pay off in the long run. Unlike regular savings accounts, high-yield accounts offer significantly higher interest rates. And here's the magic word: compound interest. This is interest on your interest. It's the snowball effect that can turn small, regular contributions into a substantial sum over time. You see, with each interest payment, your balance increases, and the next interest payment is calculated on this new, larger balance. This cycle repeats, growing your savings exponentially. It's a simple, yet powerful concept. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich surely. Yes, it may take longer, but it's a safer bet. A high-yield savings account, slow and steady, can help you accumulate wealth. Strategy number 8, mutual funds. Dabbling in the investment world can seem daunting, but mutual funds can simplify this process. Consider them as a basket of investments, where each basket holds different types of stocks, bonds, or other assets. This provides you with a diversified portfolio, spreading the risk across a larger playing field. One of the key benefits of mutual funds is the professional management. These funds are managed by experts who have a deep understanding of the market trends and dynamics. They do the heavy lifting while you reap the potential benefits. Keep in mind, however, that mutual funds come with their own set of risks. The market is unpredictable, and even the most seasoned professionals can't guarantee profits. But with calculated risks and informed decisions, mutual funds can offer promising returns. Mutual funds can be a stepping stone to your financial goals. Explore this strategy as you journey towards making $1 million in 2024. Strategy number 9, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. One of the greatest benefits of ETFs is diversification. When you buy one ETF, you're essentially buying a basket of different assets. This spreads out risk as your investment isn't tied to the performance of a single entity. ETFs also offer flexibility. They can be bought or sold throughout the trading day at fluctuating prices, unlike mutual funds, which are traded once per day at the closing price. In terms of cost, ETFs typically have lower expense ratios than mutual funds, making them a more affordable option for many investors. However, it's important to remember that with all investments, there's a level of risk involved. The value of your ETF can fluctuate based on the assets it contains. But with careful planning and strategic selection, ETFs can be a smart addition to your investment portfolio. And finally, strategy number 10, bonds. Bonds, ladies and gentlemen, are like IOUs issued by governments or corporations. When you invest in bonds, you're essentially lending your money to these entities, and in return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Now, why should bonds be a part of your investment strategy? 2 words: regular income and lower risk. Unlike stocks, bonds provide you with a steady stream of income through interest payments. They're a less risky investment because regardless of market fluctuations, you're guaranteed to get your initial investment back. However, the potential returns on bonds are generally lower compared to other investments such as stocks or real estate. But here's the thing, not all bonds are created equal. Some bonds carry more risk but offer higher returns. It's crucial to do your homework and choose wisely. Remember, a well-diversified investment portfolio can help mitigate risk and increase potential returns. Bonds can provide a steady stream of income, inching you closer to your million-dollar goal. And there you have it, 10 easy ways to make $1 million in 2024. Each of these strategies, from investing in the stock market to purchasing bonds, offers unique opportunities for financial growth. We've journeyed through the world of real estate investment, where buying and selling property can lead to substantial profits. We've explored the potential of starting a successful business and the rewards of franchise ownership. We've delved into the modern era of peer-to-peer lending and cryptocurrency investment, both of which are reshaping the financial landscape. We've also touched on the value of a high-yield savings account, the diversity of mutual funds, and the stability of exchange-traded funds. Each of these strategies, while distinct, share the common goal of financial prosperity. Remember, every millionaire's journey starts with a single step. Make sure to subscribe to Investor Web for more financial insights. Until next time, keep investing and keep growing.